queue rule is used to monitor lengths of queues, for example in a point of sale environment or a highway toll booth. Alarms can be triggered for when a queue grows beyond or falls below a specified threshold. To configure this, log into the Illustra Web Gui using the default username and password admin. Select Setup on the Web User Interface and navigate to Event and Actions. Select Analytics and select the AI Object Classification tab. Select the Enable AI Object Classification checkbox to enable AI Object Classification on the camera. And you do have the option to select the Highlight Detections checkbox to create a visual representation within the camera view. Next, select New Rule and type a rule name for your rule definition in the field provided. Select a fault action from the Action drop-down menu. This fault action is activated when the parameters of the analytic rule are met. Select the rule type from the Rule Type drop-down menu and select the Object Type from the Object Class drop-down menu. Using the drawing tools on the right-hand side, select the region of interest from the camera view. As you will notice, there are additional tools when using the queue rule. These include short, medium, and long. Use these to define the zones of interest that must be occupied to form a short, medium, and long queue. All three zones must be defined regardless of the queue length. Each selection is highlighted via a different color. Short is green, medium is yellow, and long is purple. Use the overlap slider to increase or decrease the percentage of detected object that must be in the region of interest for an alarm to be triggered. Use the minimum confidence slider to increase or decrease the percentage of confidence at which the rule will be triggered. The queue length is the required minimum length for an alarm to be triggered. This will vary on the end user requirements. The following options are available. Empty, this will generate an alarm when no objects are present in the designated regions of interest. Short will generate an alarm when objects are present in the short region of interest. Medium will generate an alarm when objects are present in both the short and medium regions of interest. Long will generate an alarm when objects are present in the short, medium, and long regions of interest. Once the rule parameters have been defined, click Save. Here you can see our queue rule has been saved.